Place a candle in an eggshell and you'll wonder why you only discovered this now. Ever since I found out about this, I've been doing it every night in the bathroom. This is a simple tip that makes a huge difference. First, place coarse salt in a container. Then, cover it with an eggshell that has only a small hole. Place the shell in the center of the container. Now melt 3 candles in a pan. Once the wax is fully melted, remove the wick and add a few cloves. Be careful not to burn yourself. Pour the melted wax and cloves over the eggshell. Then place the wick in the center and use a peg to hold it in place. Once the candle has hardened, remove the eggshell. Finally, pour a bit of fabric softener around the container and it's ready. Cloves have a natural aroma that can help keep insects away from your home. The salt will eliminate mold, and the fabric softener will leave your home smelling delightful. Have you ever thought about turning simple, accessible items into a powerful solution for freshening and purifying your home? This candle trick using coarse salt, an eggshell, cloves, and fabric softener is a perfect example of how creativity and traditional wisdom can deliver surprising results. This technique is not only charming and handmade, but also brings real benefits to your home environment, especially in places that tend to accumulate odors or humidity, such as bathrooms, laundry rooms, and even kitchens. Coarse salt is known for its ability to absorb moisture from the air, helping to prevent mold and damp. It is also considered a natural purifier of spaces. As popular traditions say, it helps to neutralize negative energy. Cloves, aside from their pleasant and distinct aroma, are also a natural insect repellent, effective against mosquitoes, moths, and ants. The eggshell here serves as an ecological and biodegradable mold, allowing you to shape the candle in a simple and creative way. By melting an ordinary candle and adding cloves, you enhance the fragrance and strengthen the repellent properties of the cloves. The fabric softener around the base acts as a gentle scent diffuser, keeping the room smelling fresh for longer. And the best part? You can use this scented candle in other rooms beyond the bathroom. Place it in your bedroom to create a relaxing atmosphere before bedtime. In the living room, it helps set a cozy and welcoming tone. In the kitchen, it helps neutralize lingering cooking odors. And if you have a wardrobe or closet with poor ventilation, this candle can be a great ally against mold and musty smells. It's a simple, budget-friendly, and highly effective idea. Why not give it a try today? That's it for today, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video and found the content helpful. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.